Today is a very rainy day. I was gonna go out there and collect leaves for a project that my granddaughters and I were going to do, but I guess that's not gonna happen. But you know what? I found this. It's just a washer, and I think I'm gonna make a piece of jewelry out of it, so stay tuned to see what I do with it. So the first thing I wanted to do was distress it. It was already distressed a little bit, so I wanted to distress it a little bit more. So it looks like that was how it was supposed to be. And I just took a little hammer and hammered it a little bit. And then I took some 20 gauge wire and wired a bail at the top. And this actually is a good piece just the way it is. I could just take a piece of chain and hang it, but I decided that I wanted a little bit of tassel bling at the bottom. So I took some chain and heart and moon stars, some little blue crystals, and hung at the bottom. I just made another bail at the top. So essentially that washer was a link. And here we go. This could either be a necklace, or I could put a lobster claw at the top and it could be a little zipper pull. This was a really fun activity on a rainy day. Have you ever taken a found object and made something pretty out of it? Let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.